Have you ever wished you could just hit a refresh button for your face? Especially on those mornings when you look a little tired? Well, today we're going to walk through a super simple 1-minute ritual that pretty much promises to do exactly that. It's called the Mirror Magic Facelift, and we're going to see if it's really all it's cracked up to be. Depuff, lift, and brighten your face in 60 seconds. Okay, I know. When you hear that, part of you might be thinking, yeah, right, in 60 seconds. It sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it? But honestly, the idea that you could see a real difference in just 1 minute, well, that's something worth looking into. So that's the big question, isn't it? Is this thing actually possible, or is it just another clever gimmick? Let's break down every single step together, and you can be the judge. We're going to see if this 1-minute wonder can actually deliver. Okay, first things first, we're preparing your moment. And before we even touch our faces, I want you to really lean into this idea. This 1 minute is just for you. Think of it as hitting the pause button on your day, even if it's just for a moment. The prep is so easy, you can do it anywhere. First, find some good lighting so you can really see what you're doing. Now, this is optional, but a little moisturizer or serum gives your fingers a nice bit of slip. And then just take one slow, deep breath. In and out. Oh, and here's a little tip that's actually super important. Wash your hands first. That's it. You're ready. All right, let's get to the good stuff. The main event, the 4-step ritual. This is where it all happens. And remember, the whole thing is over and done in just 60 seconds. So here's our 60-second game plan. We're going to start with a 10-second lift. Then we move into a 30-second sweep. After that, a 15-second tap, and we finish it all off with a quick 5-second glow. Each step has its own job, and they're all timed perfectly. Ready for step 1? Okay, first up is step 1, the lift. We're only giving this 10 seconds, but trust me, it's a quick and really powerful start. Here's exactly what you're going to do. Take your index and middle fingers and place them right on your temples. Now, gently, and I mean gently, push upward and just a little bit back. You should immediately feel this soft, pleasant lift right around your eyes. Just hold it there for 10 seconds. Breathe slowly. Feel that tension in your forehead just melt away. Moving on to step 2, the sweep. This is our longest step, a full 30 seconds, and there's a good reason for that. This is all about sculpting and depuffing. Think of it as gently clearing away any of that morning puffiness. We're going to split this sweep into 2 parts. For the first 15 seconds, we're focusing on the jawline. So using 2 or 3 fingers, start right at the center of your chin. Now sweep firmly, but gently, out along your jawbone, all the way up toward your earlobe. Let's do that 5 times on each side. You can really feel it defining that line. For the next 15 seconds, we're moving on up to the cheeks. Place your fingers right beside your nostrils. Now sweep outward, tracing right along your cheekbones, heading up towards your temples. Again, 5 times on each side. This is what gives you that beautiful lifted look. And that brings us to step 3, the tap. For the next 15 seconds, I want you to think of this as a tiny, gentle wake-up call, especially for your eyes. Now, the secret here is to use your ring fingers because they have the lightest touch. Start at the inner corner, right under your eye, and just begin to tap lightly. Imagine you're playing a tiny piano in a circle, out towards your temple, up and under your brow, and then back to the start. It's this beautiful, light rhythm that gets the circulation going and really helps with any of that under-eye puffiness. And here we are, the grand finale. Step 4 is the glow. This is a super quick 5-second move that just seals in all that good work you just did. Oh, I love this last step. First, I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and give a big, genuine smile. Feel it in your eyes. Now, as you're smiling, use both hands to gently pat your cheeks in an upward motion, maybe 5 to 10 times. It's this amazing combo of smiling and patting that creates an instant boost of circulation and just leaves you looking happier. So, we've done all 4 steps. And you might be wondering, okay, that felt nice, but what's actually going on here? Well, it's not really magic. It's just a little bit of physiology. The science is literally in your hands. It's actually pretty straightforward. When you do those sweeping motions, you're helping your body's natural lymphatic system move fluid along, which is what reduces that puffiness. The tapping, that's all about increasing blood flow right to the surface, which is what brightens your skin. And the lifting and patting motions are like a mini massage, telling all those tense little facial muscles to just relax. It's basically a mini facial and a mini facelift all rolled into 1 minute. And now, for the moment of truth, your mirror, your proof. Seriously, go ahead, get close to the mirror and take a good, honest look at your reflection right now. I absolutely love this quote. If you notice even a small difference, that's your proof. This isn't about some dramatic, unbelievable transformation. It's about seeing that subtle, positive shift, the one that you created for yourself in just 60 seconds. So, what do you see? Look closely. Do your eyes maybe seem a little more open, a little more awake? Is your jawline just a touch more defined than it was a minute ago? Maybe you just see a softer glow in your cheeks. That's your own personal proof, right there in the reflection. And I want to leave you with this thought because it really gets to the heart of this whole thing. You deserve to see a face in the mirror that matches your spirit. You know, this is about more than just a skincare trick. It's a small act of self-care. It's a 1-minute reminder that you are absolutely worth the time and attention. And that alone can make a huge difference in your day.